And oh, that's really, really cool. Right here it says one nation, one team, and then it has another little Nike branding. I'm gonna have to get all this dust paper out of here. What's going on, everybody? I'm Jeff Robe, and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hey, how you doing? Today, I got some jerseys for us to check out from our good buddies over at Mind Jersey. All of these are going to be soccer jerseys. They do have soccer kits. They got all different types of stuff. But before I bust into this package, if you're new here, you really need to be checking out my Discord. I got over 2,300 members over there. I got tons of links for you to save all the money in the world to look the way that you want for a fraction of the cost. I highly recommend don't go to any department store. If you go to the department stores, try the stuff on, find the color that you like, find the size that fits, and then come home and find it online, man, because you're going to be able to get it way, way, way cheaper. And that's my whole goal, is just to try to educate everybody as best as I can, to way that they're not spending all their hard-earned cash on stupid stuff. And most of the time, if you're already, you know, a halfway decent looking dude or chick, there's no reason, you don't have to wear a $500 shirt. Even if you're not, you don't have to wear a $500 shirt, because at the end of the day, no one cares. And if you break it all down under a microscope, it's all the same stuff. So I really want to help you guys. Take my word for it. I'm here for you. If you have any questions, reach out to me on Discord. I'm always available. I'm going to shoot you a message back. I'm going to help you out. I'm going to send you on your way to having a good time and looking the way that you want, most importantly. Bag. So inside of here, I believe is going to be 3. I'm in the USA. I'm not sure if many people knew that, but I am. And I honestly, I don't watch a whole lot of football and soccer. Like, I watch American football, but as far as like European football goes, I'm pretty much a novice. I never played soccer. I played football and baseball, but I have tons of homies that played soccer, and they always had like the cool sweatpants and the cool stuff like that. And if you've been watching my channel for a while, I have gotten stuff from mine before. And I got the full kits, the matching top and bottom sweat kits, which are very, very cool. And those are really, really good priced on their website, along with just these singular jerseys that I'm about to open right here. But let's check them out. Packaging is off the charts. Dear customer, thank you for your purchase. We appreciate your support for Mind Jerseys. We sincerely hope it has arrived on time. We hope to satisfy every customer, so we're trying to do our work better and better. Actually, we need your feedback, and you will have a chance to get $24.98 cash coupon when you log into your account and give a written review and make a video review. So that's pretty cool. So if you decide to order some of these jerseys, you can make a quick little video and submit it over to their website, and they're going to give you a $25 coupon. So that is really, really cool. Write down your order review to have a chance to get $5. Make your jersey video review, and you can get a $12.99 or a $19.99 cash coupon. And then they also sent some coupon codes. I will show that to everybody right there. Try to get it to focus so you can see it. If not, just shoot me a message and I will get it. And then on this side, it just says the 2024 Mind Jersey coupon. So very, very cool. And then this is my order. I got the Retro USA Home Jersey, 2014-2015, the 1994 World Cup USA Away Navy Retro Soccer Jersey, the US M&T Home Jersey, and the US M&T Away Jersey, both from the 2024 season. So it looks like I copped 4. And let's start busting them open. Off the rip, as you can see, it came in the really, really big zip bag, and then each item has come in its own individual, damn, these are sick, its own individual bag. So let's do that so I don't accidentally poke myself or the dog. And let's start busting these out. Man, that feels good. So this one is going to be a Nike exclusive product, dry fit, move to 0. And oh, that's really, really cool. Right here it says one nation, one team, And then it has another little Nike branding. I'm gonna have to get all this dust paper out of here. Beautiful packaging, absolutely perfect packaging. I cannot complain one bit about that. I did get XLs. I am around 6'1", 200 pounds. So pretty much I get XL in just about everything. Does this have a V-neck? I think it does. Man, this thing is sick. Look at that tie-dye on the bottom. Man, this is sick. This is a soccer jersey? Like they get to wear these for games? Or is this like a preemie maybe? Because this one doesn't have any numbers on it. Maybe this is like the shirt over the jersey during warm-ups. Oh man, but man, it looks good. I'm gonna get some hangers. I literally have every closet full in my house. So if you're after any stuff, or any stuff, if you're after anything, and you're around my size, shoot me a message, because I might have some stuff for you. And it'll probably be cheaper than normal as well. So let's hang this bad boy right here. That's a really, really good looking jersey. I like that one. Let me get the mic figured out here. It's flipping and flailing. Wish I could do it like here. We're live here in Jeff Robe's sticker room. All right, got my hangers. If you need hangers too, let me plug you guys in real quick. I got 100 on eBay of these metal ones for like 25 bucks. But if you go to Amazon, they try to sell you those really crappy plastic ones that break and leave little nipples on your shirts. And like 20 of those is 20 bucks. So if you want the hack, listen to Jeff, go to eBay, get you a big stack of metal hangers. You could even, you might be able to go to the dry cleaner and like buy from them. They might hook you up. My dad, in his job, he always got his clothes dry cleaned. And every time you get your clothes dry cleaned, they give you a hanger. So he would have a whole section in his closet of just hangers. And I remember throwing a bunch of them away. I was probably, 15, 16 at the time. So it was before I did this, but it's like, damn, I wish I still had all those hangers and we don't have them anymore. But if you need to spend a little bit of money, get some hangers, then do it. It's worth it. Keep everything organized. Nobody likes wrinkly clothes. So this one is actually going to be an Adidas and Jersey Malloy. Adidas Performance, official licensed product Officious Sus license. I probably just butchered that because I do not speak Espanol. This one's sick too, man. I really like, I grew up liking the Texas Rangers as well. I'm in Oklahoma City. My grandfather was a diehard Texas Rangers fan, and their colors are red, white, and blue. So I really, really love anything red, white, and blue. Just looks good. I like being patriotic, even in times that we're in now where it's kind of hard to be patriotic, but it is what it is. At the end of the day, you got to support where you're at. Otherwise, it's just going to keep getting worse and worse and worse. You guys see that? Let me hang it up one higher. There we go. Very cool. Yeah, rest in peace, Gramps. Miss you every day. I still got my granny though. I'm down to one grandparent now. So if you still got both your grandparents, show them some love. Run over there and see them. Take them to dinner. They're really gonna enjoy it. And especially as you're older, you know, you remember it more. You just remember the last couple times that you were with them. And it's nice to have good memories before they're either just kind of on their bad side and like, you know, fading out. It's like, I got to do that, and I recommend everybody does. This one is super, super sick. Sorry to kill the mood right there. This is a Nike jersey. We're back to the Nike. I believe these are the 2024 jerseys. Very, very cool here on the sleeves. You get this little sewn in kind of silk breathable bit, so your pits are gonna get nice and refreshed. And then it has this rotating red and white striped with a little bit of blue here on the cuffs. Really, really cool. Really cool. Wow, look at that. I love kind of like that intricate detail stuff. And then you also get it here on the collar. Okay, I guess I could have just shown the collar, but they have it stitched in to where it's like a half and half. Very cool. The material on this kind of reminds me of when I've seen previous soccer jerseys. It does have a little bit of texture. I'm trying to get it right in the light so that you can see, but if you see, it has like a little bit of texture to it. Really, really soft, really great fabric. The only thing is that these are in white. It does make me nervous wearing white, but for the most part, if you're gonna do it, just do it. And these are pretty cheap, so if you do get it dirty, you can just get another one. Hang that one up there. Yeah, I'm really digging these. These have like numbers at the bottom too. I don't know if those pertain to anything. Very cool. Feel good though. All right, let's get into this last one. Looks like this one's a collared shirt. So if I want to take a guess, I want to say these are the 2024s. That is probably the throwback. And then I'm not quite sure what this one is. If you know down in the comments, if you're super experienced, like watch a ton of soccer, fill me in. I want to know. If there's any teams that are like heavily sought after that I'm probably unaware about, then drop a comment, let me know. That's one thing my videos need, dude. I need more comments. I need more comments on my videos. I really like talking. If you can't tell, I got hardcore ADHD. I'm probably undiagnosed autistic, but I like doing this stuff. I like talking to people. I'm a really big people person. I just need people to talk to sometimes, you know what I mean? So this one, it is the 1994. I was able to see it on the side right there. This one's gonna be the men's XL. This is also a Nike exclusive product, so this one probably is not even available in stores anymore. I assume you can probably get it on eBay, but it's from 2014. You're gonna have a white collar, a little bit of red stitching there at the bottom, and then it has blue on the flip side. Oh, that's cool. So you can pop the collar, show the blue. And if you show the blue, it still has a little bit of that red trim right there on the top, looking good. I'm not the biggest fan of these horizontal stripes on this shirt, but at the end of the day, it's not gonna break it. If you know the thing about horizontal stripes, it just makes you look a little wider. But that could be good. If you wanna go for that burly boy look, get them horizontal stripes. This thing feels really, really good. So packaging 10 out of 10, timeliness and delivery 10 out of 10, quality of the product 10 out of 10, and their selection is 10 out of 10. Because if you're not in the US and you do have your own international sports team, they have those jerseys. I mean, I was sitting there browsing their website for probably 30 minutes trying to decide, and I found these ones really quick, but it's like I always have to go really, really deep just to make sure I'm not gonna miss anything. So I don't think I did. I really wanted just to get some USA ones. This little flag at the back on the collar is really cool too. I like that. I like triangles for some reason. I don't know why. Triangles, the color orange, and V's. I like brands that start with V for some reason. They always got really cool logos. But this is the only collared one that I got. I'm a really big fan of this kind of stitched in V collar. It reminds me of our pinstripe jerseys we had in junior college. Shout out Fort Scott, Kansas. Love that place. I need to make a little trip back there, but if I got any Kansians watching, I have spent some good time in Kansas. My father has spent some time in Kansas. And I even had some distant relatives living, oh crap, I even had some distant relatives living in Kansas for a while. But most of my family is in Oklahoma, spread out. So pretty cool video. Look at all these jerseys. Pretty cheap, pretty cool, fantastic quality. You're not gonna go wrong. This is my second time ordering from them, so they are trustworthy. I'm not gonna send you guys down a path where you're gonna lose your money. That's not what I'm here to do. I want everybody to get the stuff that they want and just save whatever money you do make, and you know, take your grandma to dinner, take your mom to dinner, take your girlfriend to the movies, you know, just stuff like that. Because all of that stuff has gotten expensive too, man. I hate to say it, it really has. And I'm not like the healthiest person, but I've just researched a lot about like nutrition and physical exercise. So most of the time I just eat at the house, man. Like if the friends want to go out, we go out and meet. Like, yeah, I'll go out and meet, have a couple beers, but for the most part, all the stuff that I consume, I try to make it in-house. And you can save a lot of money doing that too. Gordon Ramsay's one of my idols, and he's got tons of videos on YouTube teaching. Like, I've learned how to cook because of Gordon Ramsay's YouTube videos, you know what I mean? And I hate to ring my own bell, but I'm a pretty good cook, you know what I mean? It's not the hardest thing in the world to do, but I like making food taste good, and I like feeding other people. So, and I've never had a girl complain about my cooking either. So, but yeah, I'm Jeff Robe. Thanks for tuning in today. Hopefully some of these jerseys is something you're after. Like I said, they have all international teams. They're going to get you hooked up. They're going to get them to you really, really quick. So yeah, looks like I got some video to edit. I'm going to go shoot some shorts. If there's anything you're after, I got lots to get offhand, so shoot me a message. I can send you pictures of what I got on deck. Like I said, every single closet is full right now, so I need to make some space to keep going so that I can keep getting more and more product in. Otherwise, I'm going to need to go get a storage unit or something. So yeah, thanks for tuning in today. I really appreciate you guys. I'm Jeff Robe, and I'll see you guys next time when I got some more stuff for you.